Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome aboard. We're all about creating, crafting, and cleverly using what we have to make something beautiful. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more ideas, do check out our website, www.cleverdiycrafts.com. You know that old toolbox sitting in your garage? Well, guess what? You can totally give it a super cool makeover and use it for something awesome. We're talking about toolbox planter ideas, turning that rusty old box into a fancy garden decoration. It's like giving your toolbox a second chance to shine, and you get to make your garden or porch look amazing in the process. If you're into plants and stuff or just want a fun project, this is for you. You'll need some paint, soil, and your favorite plants or flowers. It's not hard at all, and we'll show you some really neat ideas. These ideas are simple and fun. Your toolbox will become the coolest thing in your garden. So there you have it, a bunch of toolbox planter ideas to spruce up your garden. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to add some personality and greenery to your outdoor space. Before you go, just a reminder to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's topic, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. Tap the bell button too, so you never miss our new videos. See you in the next video.